Are you ready to uncover one of the most profitable, yet underrated ways to make money on YouTube? Let me paint a picture. 7 billion of views, racking up on faceless kid-oriented videos every single day. These aren't just popular, they are literal money machines, generating millions of dollars annually for their creators. Yes, you heard that right. Hey BB, I'm AI Clarence from Digital Dollars Blueprint. Faceless kid videos are a gold mine.
Take a moment to think about this. Channels that create animated content for kids are pulling in daily views by the millions. And according to Social Blade, a platform that estimates earnings, some of these channels are making close to $2 million per year. Just imagine that. One example is a channel focusing on animated content for children. It's a powerhouse in this space. Another example? A channel called Fairy Tales and Stories for Kids. They create animated stories based on popular movies, with simple voiceovers narrating the tale. Guess how much they make annually? Over $500,000 from views alone. That's just from ad revenue, without even mentioning other income streams like sponsorships or merchandise. Let me break it down even further. Kids spend more time on YouTube than adults. They're constantly consuming content, and that translates to views. More views equal more money. And there isn't just one or two of these channels. There are hundreds out there using this exact formula, racking up millions of views and making thousands of dollars every month. Here's the exciting part: if they can do it, so can you. You don't need animation skills. You don't need to show your face. You can automate this entire process and build a passive income stream with the right tools and guidance. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to create these videos, step by step, and start earning money just like those channels. Even better, thanks to the rise of AI tools, it's never been easier to start. The tools available today can handle everything from script writing to animation, voiceovers, and editing, all without you needing to be an expert in any of these areas. The opportunity, why kids' animated content is a game changer. Before we dive into the how, let's talk about the why. Kid-focused animated videos are the perfect storm for success on YouTube. 1. Massive audience, kids love repetition, and they binge-watch videos for hours. 2. High engagement, simple animations with engaging stories keep their attention. 3. Evergreen content, fairy tales, fables, and stories never go out of style. 4. Global appeal, these videos transcend language barriers, making them watchable worldwide. These channels aren't producing Hollywood-level animations. They're keeping it simple. With AI-powered tools, you can create similar content effortlessly and start tapping into this lucrative niche. How to start your own faceless animated channel. Let's break this down step by step so you can launch your channel today. Step 1. Pick a niche. Start by choosing a niche. Fairy tales, bedtime stories, moral lessons, or educational content are all great options. Keep it broad enough to attract a wide audience, but specific enough to stand out. Step 2. Script creation. AI tools like ChatGPT or Jasper can help you generate scripts effortlessly. You can rewrite classic stories or even create unique narratives with moral lessons for kids. Scripts don't need to be complex. They just need to tell an engaging story. Step 3. Animation made easy. No animation skills? No problem. Platforms like Viant, Toonly, or Doodly let you create professional-looking animations with simple drag-and-drop features. Alternatively, you can use AI tools like Animaker for more advanced designs. Step 4. Add voiceovers. Voiceovers bring your animations to life. Use tools like MoffAI, Descript, or even your own voice if you prefer. You can create multiple characters with unique voices to make your videos more engaging. Step 5. Edit and upload. Once your video is animated and narrated, Polish it with editing software like CapCut or DaVinci Resolve. Add royalty-free music to make it appealing to kids. Then upload it to your YouTube channel with an eye-catching thumbnail and a title optimized for search. Automating the process.
Here's where things get interesting. With the help of AI, you can automate most of this workflow.
AI tools for script writing. Animation software for video creation. Voiceover tools for narration. Scheduling tools like TubeBuddy or vidIQ. To automate uploads and optimize your content. Once your system is set up, you can create multiple videos per week without breaking a sweat. How much can you earn? The earnings potential is mind-blowing. With ad revenue alone, even a small channel can make thousands of dollars per month. Channels that hit the millions in views can make upwards of $500,000 per year. Add sponsorships, merchandise, or affiliate marketing, and you've got a multi-million-dollar business. Why start today? There's no better time to jump in. The tools are affordable, the demand is skyrocketing, and the barriers to entry are lower than ever. Plus, with platforms like YouTube Shorts, you can quickly grow your channel by repurposing your animations into bite-sized clips. Final thoughts. The opportunity is real and the formula is simple. 1. Pick a niche. 2. Use AI to create animations and scripts. 3. Automate your workflow. 4. Publish regularly and optimize for views.
If these faceless channels can generate millions of dollars every year, what's stopping you from doing the same? With a little creativity and the tools I've shown you today, you could be the next big player in this space. And remember, my YouTube channel is your go-to source for free education and actionable strategies to help you succeed. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. Let's make this the year you turn your passion into profit.